Imagine making an enemy and being remembered for years, not by a person, by a bird. Meet the crow, one of the smartest animals on Earth. Crows don't just see faces, they recognize them. If a crow decides you're a threat, it remembers you. Not for days, not for weeks, for years. It watches from a distance, learns your habits, tracks your presence. And here's the creepy part. It doesn't keep that information to itself. Crows warn each other. They teach other crows which humans to avoid. Some studies suggest this knowledge can even spread through generations. So if a crow labels you as dangerous, you may have just earned a reputation with an entire murder of crows. Because once you're on their blacklist, they don't forget.